Hi everyone and welcome back to our amazing science lab. Today we're going to perform a magic trick with a super cool experiment called trapped ice cubes. For this experiment we'll need a glass, cooking oil from your home, food coloring, water, ice cubes, and a stirring stick. First pour about half a cup of water into your glass, add 2 drops of food coloring and stir it well. Now we have a colorful water base for our experiment. Next, carefully pour about 80 milliliters of cooking oil into the glass. The oil will float on top of the water, forming a separate layer. Now gently drop an ice cube into the glass. Where does it go? Does it sink to the bottom or float on top? Let's try to push the ice cube down to the bottom of the glass using a straw. Watch closely. Does the ice cube stay at the bottom or does it pop back up?
The secret behind our trapped ice cubes lies in a scientific property called density. Density tells us how much stuff is packed into a certain space.
Think of it like packing a suitcase. A suitcase full of heavy books is denser than a suitcase full of fluffy pillows. In our experiment, water is the densest of the 3 substances, so it settles at the bottom of the glass like heavy books in a suitcase. Oil is the least dense, so it floats on top of the water like the pillows in our suitcase. And the ice cube, its density is somewhere between water and oil, so it gets trapped in the middle, like a blanket between the books and pillows. No matter how hard we try to push the ice cube down with the straw, it always floats back up to its trapped position between the water and oil layers. It's a fun way to see how density determines where things will float or sink.